Honestly, I want to say about 3.5 years ago, I got pretty sick. I had long COVID, kept me from basically doing anything. Like Wendy said, I own a salon right across the street here, and just even walking up and down the salon was so hard for me. I damaged my lungs pretty bad. And so after the 3 years, I got sick in like May of 2022. And I was just kind of sick and tired of feeling awful. And so I started doing small little steps on getting my health back. And so once I started feeling a little bit better, I started going around town trying to find the gym of my home. I tried a few different gyms, but I just wasn't feeling it. And then one of my clients, Amy Racker, she was telling me about Core 10. And then I was like, okay, I need to go check this out because everything she was mentioning was everything I was looking for. And so I signed up for 3 classes, I believe. And Sarah was one of the gals that helped me. When I first came in, I just loved the energy. To be honest with you, I loved how clean it was. I loved Sarah's energy, the workouts that she was showing me. I felt like my body really needed it. And so I joined the class. And then working on the reformer was such a brand new thing for me. I've never worked on the reformer before. And so, I was hooked after that. And I've been trying to come every single day. Some days are a little hard, but all the instructors here are amazing. I really felt like my body was responding to the different workouts that the reformer was giving me, basically. Because I really wanted to work on getting my lungs back. I loved how Pilates really focuses on breathing, and I wanted to work on my core. I've had a C-section back in the past, and when I was 17, I had a pretty bad back injury. Fell asleep behind the wheel going 65 miles an hour. So I damaged my back pretty bad, and so I never really took care of the issue. I neglected it, and then over the years, I really feel like it always comes and revisits you. And so I just wanted to have a complete focus on getting my health back. And so Core 10 just really hit the spot on everything pretty much. And so that's why I decided to stick with Core 10, and I signed up for the year. And I really feel like it fits my lifestyle, and I don't ever see myself without it. So I think I'm going to do this for the rest of my life. Yeah. It's a little mix of everything. I think that 3 years of being sick was so scary for me. There were days where I just felt like I didn't know if I was going to have a stroke or if I was having a heart attack. And so focusing on my health has been one of the biggest things with Core 10 in relations to that, because again, I'm rebuilding my lungs, and I feel with the breathing and with the low impact workout, but still having so much strength behind it, it really made me feel like I was myself again. Seriously, I just couldn't even walk without losing my breath. And so Core 10 really helped me regain that, and also my body and my strength. Not working out for 3 years, I felt like there was no mobility at all, no flexibility. I felt like my core was just at a standstill. And so, Core 10 has really changed my body, my mental health, the whole 9 yards, pretty much. Oh gosh, I want to say my whole entire body. I feel like I've toned so much more. Even though I've been here for only 4 months, I feel a huge difference. I feel a lot stronger. I feel like my body is completely different. I'm moving and I'm stretching things that I didn't even know that I could do. So my body definitely has changed big time, and I really appreciate the strength that it's given me, because doing hair, you're on your feet all the time. And I feel like, when you're doing hair, you're on your feet, you're just going with the motion, and you kind of forget about parts of your body that does fall apart. And the Core 10 just really helped me strengthen all the areas that I needed help on. I would say for me, the Pilates was the season in my life right now. Pilates really fits where I'm at. And I would say just give it a try. Give it a try, because the thing is, with the low impact and the reformer, I really feel like it just really helps you support your body on achieving the goals that you want, because it's not intimidating. At first I was like, okay, I'm just going to give this a whirl, because I'm coming from a world where I was doing more CrossFit type of workouts. But core 10 really, like the machines, I was really surprised to see how strong you could be without even, doing heavy duty weight. So I say just give it a try, and just you'll be surprised to see how like much it changes you, like mentally, spiritually, physically. So yeah.